Alright, I think I figured out a fast way to get a nice pump. When people come by, it's so easy to put this thing right back in. What I did is I looped around some bicycle tires around a ring, 2 rings, 3 bicycle tubes for each ring. And then I actually sewed this strap a while back, but the attachment, that's the most important thing. Is the anchor point is this thing, which was a hook for the back seat, and I got it on both sides so I can really play with it, but my bicycle tends to cover that. So it's a nice little pull exercise I can do on this thing. One thing I got to be aware of is one side is actually stronger than the other, so I need to switch up hands.